So the list of top 6 business you can start doing with the list 100,000 naira to 500,000 to 1 million naira that I put in my list here, you can start doing this business now. 2026 top 5 business you can start doing this year. Number one of them, invest in stock. Yes, invest in stock market. Stock market, buy shares. Go to download Babo app, Trove app, Afro Invest 2.0, other brokerage app. You can also download them, buy all those buy shares, MTN shares. We have Econet, GTCO, we have Zenith, we have all those. Buy shares. Dangote shares is there, Boa is there, Seplan is there. Buy shares this year, it will help you. Number 2, invest in provision store business. Yes, provision store, going and buying and selling, or going to market and all those bush market and buying things in bulk, come and sell retail price to people. It helps. Yes. Number 3, invest in children wear. Now people born every time, children are coming up everywhere. So how children's wear, children's clothes. Yes, it helps. You can go out go to market, buy Gbogbo clothes, import them, and then be selling them. Those business, they can give you times 2 money. I swear, times 2 money. I know people who do this business, they are doing well. So you can still do one of these things too. And the next, about 4 place you can invest on also is phone accessories. You can sell phone patch, you can sell phone battery, you can sell power bank, you can sell rechargeable light, you can sell rechargeable fan. All of these things, you can start them. You can start doing them for the minimum of 100,000 naira to 1 million naira. You can start this business. Yes, you can sell phone accessories, you can sell power bank, you can sell charger, you can sell patch, you can sell so many things. It helps. Yes, it helps. Number 5 of them is selling of water. No matter how it is, people must drink water. I saw a guy that make a video about pure water machine. You can use to see package pure water and then for 1.5 million naira in China. Yes, you can go and enter the pure water business and then start doing that one and see machine to see water. Let the water be clean and then you can sell. Then the last one you can do again, number 6 of them, laundry business. Laundry business is a lucrative business also. You can still put yourself on that business and then start. You can start to sell. If you are selling it in an hostel, you can do buns, fry meat pie, fry egg roll. You can do them, you can bake them and sell. What I'm trying to do now is to motivate you to start doing something this year, 2026. Don't allow this to be like last year that slip away from your hands, that you don't really have time to have anything. You're just contemplating, I don't have time. But now you have time now. You can begin to say fried egg, meshai, egg and bread. You can be doing sort of that kind of business. You can be saying shin. You can be saying banana and plantain chips. You can be saying pomon sauce. You can be okay. These are things you must do. Do not sit down, see the government are not helping us. I am a graduate, I'm not doing anything. That things you can start doing now. You can start doing them now. Say them. Do them. I'm motivating to start this year. Don't allow this to be like other year. You say you just sit down, procrastinate, you think, you imagine, if I can just have 1 million, if I cannot have 100,000, if I can just have 1 billion. No, the little you have now, meet family and friends who assist you. Have an idea, learn something, go to bakery, learn something. Go, can you cook culinary? Go to school, cook something, learn how to cook. This thing, yeah, it's not easy. No business is easy. No business is easy, but when you give your time, consistency, dedication, you will see the goal and on the long run, you will see the product coming. Please, this is Pastor Noble Academy encouraging you now to start something. You must not be a laundry man. You must not open a laundry business like I did. But I still have other investment, real estate, land, all of these things. I still have other things I'm doing. But I just have passion for laundry business. Sometimes I give it for free. I teach for free. Yes, but you have other things you want to do. An electrician, you can repair things, you can do all of these things. You are a painter, you can paint very well, or you can barb it very well, and you are still there. You can sew, you are a tailor, you sew for home, and then you start something. Start something this year. Please, I beg you. Start doing something this year. Nobody is coming to help you. As a young man, don't depend on the bomb, Yahoo, all of this stuff. Yes, it can be a backup, but Start doing something. Want to buy sub? Want to buy data? Want to charge your phone? Want to do this and that? If you don't have money, we want to beg everything. But when you start, when you are doing something, and then you can do that, you can improvise other things again. All I'm saying now, start doing something this year, 2026. Don't allow this year waste. Few weeks from now, few days from now, what are the new month? February, January is gone. What are you doing now? Please start doing something. And if you are there, you want to start a laundry business, you want to grow your laundry business, and you are still thinking how to go about it, give us a DM that I'm interested to run a laundry business, and we'll help you. We'll build you up. And if you are there, you want to register in our academy, Pants Academy International. Yes, you pay a fee. We can teach from basic to standard to any premium high you want to go. We can establish you, do you want to do, do's and don't to expect in a laundry business. Or you are still afraid to say, I want to know I just want to know about laundry business. Go to my YouTube channel at Pams Laundry Academy, Pams Academy International. I make some videos there that are able to you. Those videos will help you to understand the do and don't, the challenge you will experience to encounter and how to overcome them in laundry business. Yes, go there, subscribe to it, like the video, and then share it to those who want to share it to. If you are still there, like the video, subscribe to it, and then share it to those who want to share it to. Save it for that. Save it as a form of motivation, motivate you. And this year, you must start doing something. Start doing something. Please start doing something. See you next week, and bye.